Hi there, I am Mrs. Leslie and I'm going to teach you how to post your presentation as a comment in a discussion board. So you have your personality presentation done, so that's the first place we're going to go is right up here. I have mine here. Now your share settings should be like mine, so you'll need to start there because it says private only to you. So mine, I think yours looks similar to mine. If you click down here, it will automatically change it to anyone with a Lee Summit School District can view. If it doesn't say that, you can click these down buttons and change that, but make sure that it says view and not edit. You're also going to come here to copy link. So after I do that, I copy the link, done. To make sure I've done it correctly, there's this little link button. If you make anything and you forget to share it that way, especially with your teacher, they probably cannot see it. Anyway, just so you know, go ahead and share it because they don't have editing rights. They just can only view it. Then I'm going to come back here to my discussion board. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to just add a link. So we've already have it. It's Control V to put it in. You can change everything after, edit and after to view if you'd like. Otherwise, I do think it's the same. It'll just pop up there. And you can just, my presentation. The second way to do it is to come down here to resources and you're going to go to your apps. If this is the first time you're doing this, it will prompt you to say, would you like to allow this? And you just click yes, allow. So mine is Mrs. Leslie's personality presentation. I'm hoping it's going to pop up. Yeah. So you would just click this button, import, and you could import file, import link, whatever you would like. Let's see what happens when I import file. Okay, so I have it twice down here. Let's see what that looks like. We are going to, you have to type something in the box. So my first name's Erica, so you would type Erica's personality presentation, post. So now I have it both ways. Now, when this is done, see right now it says it's being converted to a viewable format. So you'll be able to click on this little button over here in order to view it right here. But you can't do it right now. It says it'll be ready shortly. If you click this, it's going to want to download it. And that's frustrating for me. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like downloading a bunch of stuff. So if I click it, then it pops down here, my downloads. Again, not great. So just wait until it's converted. I'm going to pause this and I'll come back. I've been waiting for a really long time. And I'm not waiting anymore. Just so you know, I'm not sure when this will go from it'll be ready shortly to now it's ready. But you have two presentations or two ways to add your presentation. You don't have to do both of them. And then this is what it's going to look like when you go to comment on other people's, when you go to reply. All right, if you have any questions, you know where to find me. Thanks.